In this series of videos, we're gonna learn the account receivable accounting in Sage 50, and we're gonna start from the customer creation till the end to check all the reports related with the account receivable accounting. So in this video, we're gonna enter the default information related with the customer. So how to check or enter the default information? You need to click on this options, and here we have the option default information customers. Click it and this window will open. First we have terms and condition, which we already covered in the payable accounting. This is COD, cash on delivery, that is prepaid, due in number of days. Let's suppose that the net due days is 30, and if you pay within 10 days, they will give us 2% discount, and that is a credit limit. We are giving a credit limit to our customers, that is 20,000, and that is a credit status, that if the credit limit exceeded, what you want to do, no credit limit, notify if over limit, always notify, hold over limit, or always hold. So I'm gonna select here that if the credit limit exceeded more than this 20,000, the system, they will notify us. Then you need to enter this default GL accounts, that is GL sales account. We have 401, that is the sales account, and here you need to give discount GL account, that is the sales discount account. We need to check that do we create this sales discount? No, we don't have the sales account, a sales discount account. So I'm gonna create 407 as a sales discount account, and that is under income. So that is under income. Select and save it, and that is 407. So this information, this is a default customer information. So whenever you are creating the customer record, this default information will appear automatically there. Then the next step, that is account aging, that how you will check your age reports. That age invoice by invoice date or due date, we're gonna select the due date, and that is the aging category, that 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and the fourth column, that is more than or over 90 days. Then we have this custom fields, that if you want to enter if you want to add additional fields in the customer records, master record, while you are creating a customer, so you can enable these customize field. Then if you are hitting a finance charges to your customers, so you can check this option, that is a charge finance charges on invoice number 10 or 15, and then days overdue up to how much is the charge, annual interest rate, right, on balance above, and minimum finance charges there. And then you need to enter a GL account, a relevant finance charges GL account under that expense. You can link here. We have this option appears on invoice and statement as a late charges. Then you can check this option print finance charges warning message, like that is a warning message, overdue invoices are subject to late charges. So if you are hitting a finance charges to your customer, then you need to fill this option. Then we have payment method, that what are the payment methods, that how you're gonna receive the payments from your customer. And the last one, that is email messages. These are the default email messages, right? If you're sending emails to your customer, your in sale invoices or the quotations, so these are the default messages we have. So you need to press OK to save your customer default information in Sage 50.